Woo-hoo. Good morning. Good morning. God damn. What a shitty day, Chet. What a shitty day. Yo, brother, spanking ranking day. What a 61 months, my brother. Good morning, everybody. How we been? How we been? How is everybody? Huh? How's everybody going? Bro, this is some shit weather, bro. But hey, we carry on. What's up, Acronis Wolf over on YouTube? What's up, brother? What's up, my dude? How you doing, brother? How you doing? Morning, everybody over on Twitch as well. Once again, it is another day of multi-streaming, as you all know. That's all we've been doing lately. Slamming the multi-streaming. And it has been really, really nice. Really, really nice. Shout out to the 2 active subs I have on Kick as well. Yeah, chat. So my goal today is hopefully we hit our sub goal today. So we're gonna deliver this stream. We're gonna design some more, and also I found my sharpening stone. Here it is. Let's go. Been looking for it for a whole bloody month, eh? Sub Jedi all the way from the UK. What's up, brother? So if you missed it, this is what we've been up to. We've started the designing process, alright? You can see there. We're underway. But still a lot of work to be done. It's just a bit awkward because of like the angles I have to hit it from, because you know at the same time I want everyone to see it while we work on it. We don't want to not be that guy and you know, not deliver. Also, the Fiku post has been popping off on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, it's like popping off, Chad. I don't even know if I uploaded it. Did I? I think I uploaded it to YouTube, eh? Yeah, like genuinely it's popping off. But yeah, it's a pretty shit day today. Yeah, it's a pretty shit day today, but hey, we're gonna carry on. We're gonna get some more work done. So the plan today, touch up the parts that we've carved already. So we're gonna do that, and then continue with the design. Tie my hair up again. I might leave it out for now. Let my hair breathe. Keep my ears warm. How are we all doing though, chat? Hope you're well, YouTube. Hope you're well, Kick. Hope you're well, Twitch. Hope you're well, TikTok. Good morning, Morena. Morena. What did I get up to last night? I ended up leveling, starting my mage on for Mr. Pandaria. I'm sorry I didn't stream it. 92 here in NC today, not too bad. The humidity is killing me though. Oh, I bet it's really humid in New York, eh? Concrete jungle. I don't think I could ever last there, eh? I don't really like busy places. Morning from Singapore. Morning, brother. How are you? Love from Serbia. Greetings from Poland. What's up, Pia Tall over on YouTube, and Mihan over on YouTube as well. Did you see what they said about you in the server Discord? Nah, I'm not trying to join the server Discord either, bro. I'm all good. At the end of the day, I'm still gonna have a, good sleep. Cheers for the engagement on Kick, though. Nice here, brother. Yeah, just letting my hair up, my bro. Let it breathe. Glorious hair. Yeah, so it's starting to grow out again. Like, when it's, like, fully wet, it's, like, in the cheeks a little bit. Nah, I'm all good, bro. I'm not out here trying to join no Discord, brother. Thank you very much, Terry Tusker, for the roses. But yeah, this is probably going to be the vibes today. It's going to be raining quite a bit. So for now, we chill and get some work done. Obviously, how we always start our day, coffee, and then we start. I was here last night for a little bit. Do you remember? Oh, bro, I won't lie. I can't remember, brother. Hello, what's up, man? My bad. I'll take them back if it means some clouds. Oh, bro, I love this, eh? This is my vibe check. When I used to live with my grandfather, because he used to live in a tin shed, this was like the noise sometimes. And I'm just glad my kids fall asleep to this as well. Quite easy. Jealous your hair's better than mine. All I do is just brush it from Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Shampoo it same days, breaks in between. Yo, well, thank you very much, Raft, for the 100 biddies, my bro. I take rain over Colorado's dry, hot heat. Yeah, that sounds yuck. I don't think I'd like that either. Yeah, that doesn't sound very fun. What are we up to today? So what we're doing today is what we're continuing with from yesterday. We're going to be designing, okay? Getting all our design work done. We've got to do this whole side, okay? That's what we're up to here. Get that all done, and then we'll be good. And but yeah, for now, as always, start the stream chat. I like to enjoy a coffee first, then a bit of a yarn. Thank you, Jay, for the car points. I appreciate you. You got beautiful hair, my boyfriend. So shout out to your boyfriend. I appreciate you, my bro. Did you see what they said about you in the Discord? Yeah, that's why Fresh Pepsi above you said the Lon Jonas. Not gonna lie, I probably will not join, okay? So have a good one. What in the bots is going on Kick? Rain sounds the vibes, yeah, brother. I ruined my sleeping schedule again, Brox. June got me. What's the vibe with June? Lola and Tola, I appreciate you. Thank you for the roses. What's it? I don't know, Jonas. I'll be honest, I don't really join Discord servers. I have a hard time with 10. Probably only have to say it like 10 more times. Yeah, I don't know. They could be saying something about me. It could be good, it could be bad. I don't know. Tunver, hello. Thank you very much, full stop, for the 20 roses. Chicken bias fighting over his swamp butters. Yeah, so what's the vibe with June? Is it any good? How are you, Brendan, over on YouTube? Love from Guam. Hey, what's up, Wolves? What you doing all the way in Guam, my bro? Oh, salmon. Ooh, yeah. Love me some salmon, I ain't gonna lie. I've been enjoying it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, what's up, Hawaiian boy? Sub Makanaka. Kanaka Maoli. How you, my brother? Ever on YouTube? Bros on my FYP. How you, brother? Jacob Stevens. Maka way of doom. Kia ora, my bro. Hey. Idiot SRT, thank you very much for the crab and J Bizzle as well. Yeah, I didn't want to stream last night, so I ended up just replying to a lot of messages on TikTok and on YouTube, on Instagram. Sorry, jeez. Yo, what up, Jared Book, over on YouTube as well? Good bro, how you doing? Yeah, not too bad, you know, other than the weather, brother, just being a dad as well. Being a dad and training, my bro. It's him, it's the guy. What's up, John? How you, my bro? What's good, Janice? We are live on 4 different platforms today. Damn, love to see it. Any special projects on the horizon? Well, I had one in mind. On my Instagram, on the video we posted there, someone thought that the thing I made, the wheku we done, was a quiver. I was like, I wouldn't mind making a quiver. That'll be pretty cool. Obviously I wouldn't use it, but making one would be pretty cool. Yeah, that would be pretty cool, I won't lie. Did you see what they said about you in that Discord? See what they said about you in this Discord? Yeah, I don't know why they're sending the same message. It's 5 AM right now and I haven't had any sleep. Well, listen to the stream and you might fall asleep. Much love from Michigan. Cheer, my bro. Much love. Much love, my brother. Morning, brother JT. How are you, my bro? Hope you're doing well with everything that's going on too. How are you, bro, from Scotland? I'm doing good, brother. It is, as you can probably hear, my bro, bit of a wet day. But even, you know, I must deliver a stream for everyone today. I don't want to be that guy. Twitch cup on kick. Just drinking a bloody coffee. It's not that deep, bro. Multi-streaming. Thank you very much, Jay, for the cats as well. Can I say you're so talented with the carving? Oh, thank you, brother. You must know, Loki, we are multi-streaming. Yeah. Should see the cup from a YouTube angle. Big ups, brother. Stay blessed. Cheer, my bro. Yeah, so we'll start soon. I normally just like to have a coffee and warm myself up before we start, and then we carry on. Mean as weather. Oh, I don't mind it. I like it. I've always been a fan of the rain. I'll carve you a cup. Are you leading up to a joke called Fuck Up? Is that what you're going for? Super not blowing. It's so I guess that's better than it was. Yeah, bro. The other day was pretty out the gate. Golf spa weekend coming up. Ooh, bro, I need to get back into golfing. Straight up. I've gotten to that point in my for mead by my ancestors. Wait, you do drinking horn, brother? Or do you actually carve them? Bro, I went to this place called Valhalla. No, that's the game. What's it called? Valhalla in Sydney, and we got to drink out of these big ass yak horns. Fuck, I felt like the absolute man. They bought this meat out and yeah, they took it in the drinking horn. I was like, oh, this is cool. The one thing that was funny is because they, you know, it's a Viking. Oh, you're from Sweden? Che, my bro. I'm Norse IRL. Che, skull. That's what everyone says. They skull. Raised in the US. Che, bro. Far out. How many times a day do you hear that guy? I don't know. I don't really keep count. I just carry on streaming. So big reach. How you, brother? And Holrick over on Twitch. Is it? What is a sympathy tug? I'll be honest. If anyone touches my hair, I get pissed off. The only people that can touch my hair is my kids. Oh, true. I see you, brother Loki. Cheer, my bro. Everyone quick. Do you do a bit of crafting yourself too, brother? So to those that are just getting in, this is what we'll be carrying on with today. So we're carving this eimato, or this fish hook, for one of the viewers. We're in the designing process right now, as you can see. So this design is called Taratara Akai. It's a design that is associated a lot with the tribes along the coasts. So, you know, with it being a fish hook, one must choose a water themed design, you know, that we have in our culture to help. Yo, Quesada Gur, thank you for the Optimus Prime. I hope I said that right. Let me know if I said it wrong. So, welcome to the... I teach traditional Scandinavian... Wait, you do? Let me give you a follow. Yo, Chad, I found another crafter on Kick. Oh no, he found me, sorry. JK. Sorry, Chat, finding another crafter in a streaming category is like finding a shiny Pokemon. And it's a culture that I'm interested in learning from, brother. Yo, Loki, keen to teach me the ways, my bro. You ever play Valheim? Yep, when I first started playing Valheim, on my first day I cut down about 562 trees. Just for fun. That's the only thing I loved about Valheim, was being able to cut trees down. Same with, is it New World? But yeah, I enjoyed Valheim more. Thank you for the gifts on TikTok, guys. I was taught the old man skills and crafts, but not the land. Oh, true, my bro. Yeah, so I learned Maori wood carving from my uncle. My uncle, in a 4th generation wood carver in my family. On my grandmother's side, where I'm at right now, I'm a third generation. But there was a big, like, gap in between the last carver in our family to me now. And yeah, it was a big deal for my grandfather, because he's the chief of our tribe too. I'm not trying to shout out, but there's some good clay modeling people. Yes, I have seen them. I tend to look in the makers and crafting section a lot, because you know that's the place that I normally stream in on Twitch as well. From local tree services, abundant when storms go through. Oh, true, bro. Bro, that's cool. What type of man are you? What's in the mug? Just dark coffee. I'm trying to drink it in its purest form, so I can, you know, shit like a champion later. Should be called a woodsmith. That actually sounds pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. Man is living Skyrim and rain on the rooftop. Man is living life. I'm a simple man, my brother. I do love rain on a corrugated iron roof. I will not lie. Alright. Let's start. Okay. Oh. How do you pronounce the place with... Oh, taumata whakatangi anga ko hawa? Hang on. Bye-bye here. Just tie my hair, check. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. Are we ready? Ooh. Taumata whakatangi hanga ko Ātamata turipuri ko ka whenua Ki tangatahu. Alrighty, good. God damn. Ooh. That's the only reason I know the place's name from the song? Yeah. It's a good way to learn it by listening to the song too. Yo, that's cool, Loki. I'm keen to check you out if you do stream on Kick, my bro. What's up, Bergend? Hello. Alright, are we ready to go? Back to designing. Where's my block of wood? Oh, there it is. Okay, once again we're carrying on with the design work today. So that's what we're going to be working on. Just getting through some of the design on this fish hook. Although it does look simple, there's a lot of things we need to keep in mind with this design. Like keeping the walls of the cuts straight up and down. Although it is very simple design, we must be mindful of keeping the cuts on the walls clean and the ridges as well. Okay. So yeah, we still got a bit of cleaning to do in here, but let's go. Let's hit it. Where's those gloves I used yesterday? Yeah. Also, chat, I still haven't played Expedition 33. Are you the Twitch guy? I am on Twitch, good sir. There we go. So I'm using some rubber garden gloves to protect the edge of the hook. Thank you, Reality, for the roses. Kia ora. And the cat. Here we go. Hey, what up, Grumpy? How you, brother? I'm doing good, my friend. I'm doing good. Hey, what's up, Vic? Now, and it's all tied up. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I had to tie it up because we're going to start carving now. Okay, let's go, eh? Let's run it. Okay, we're getting pretty close to our goal today too, which is pretty cool. Thank you very much for the aroha, guys. Thank you very much, Reality. Love from the UK. Cheer, my brother Ashton. Cheer, my bro. I remember watching you during quarantine. Oh, it feels like a lifetime ago, eh? That part of our lives when we were in lockdown. Because even some of my videos of my daughter come up. Because my eldest, she grew up through the lockdown as well. And our second child, she was born after lockdown as well. So you, bit of a lockdown baby. Wink, wink. Bro, I am so happy we found our sharpening stone, chat. I'll tell you. Doing good, man. Finishing high school and got myself voluntary work in Japan. Where you going to Japan next year? Damn, dude. Congratulations, brother. That's definitely one place I'd love to go with my wife. Go and check out Japan. I saw a tour they do there. I saw it on TikTok where you can. So they give you a car to drive around for the whole day, like a JDM car. Hey, blocker! Thank you very much for the 10 bomb, my bro. If you got a gifted sub from the bro Blocker over on Twitch, give him a thank you, or better yet, glaze him harder than a Krispy Kreme donut. Glaze him harder than Krispy Kreme ever did to the goddamn donuts, you goddamn. Samurai, thank you very much for the roses. Hey, Vicky! Oh, Vic, holy cow. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb as well. Oh, the 11 bomb. Oh, we had our sub goal. Damn. Carswind and Jello Piggy, thank you very much. Far, we actually smashed our sub goal, chat. Far out. Thank you very much for helping us at sub goal, chat. Hey, what's up, Fickle Cat? You in Hawaii? No, I'm in Aotearoa. But a lot of people think I live in Hawaii, though. Maybe I'll blend in with the locals there, eh? Thank you very much for helping us. Oh my days. Among
underscore Wildblumen gifted a tier 1 sub to Swanky Boy 2001. Among underscore Wildblumen gifted a tier 1 sub to Imad Chris 1.
Wait, is it gonna do all 10? Oh my gosh! Wild and blocker again! This TTS is gonna go crazy. Gotta get you over that goal. Hey, appreciate you, Wild Bloomin' as well, brother. Did you see what they said about you in the server Discord at gg.kickbot? Mega box, just like you and the 2 others above you. You're not the only one that said that. Not sure if you're real though. Yo, Karunos, thank you for the 159 roses. And Wayne with the flames, 10 flames. And G.I. Dwayne with the GGs. What in the guacamole is going on? We got a level 7 hype train over on that is 2 sub goals hit in a week. Yeah, bro. Holy shiitake mushrooms. Absolutely crazy, bro. Thank you very much for the level 7 hype train as well, Fano. Far out. We hit sub goal twice. What the hell? Thank you very much for contributing to the sub goal, guys. Thank you very, very much. Yo, Nuds with the 5 bomb too. Thank you very much, Jack Carver, for the roses, and Lil Young MV with the cat as well over on TikTok. I know Body, thank you for the manawa, for the heart. Fine, if you did get any gifted sub at all, please, please, please give your gifter a thank you once again. Or glaze the absolute crap out of them, alright? Thank you, Fano. Holy shit. Sorry for my profanity. Thank you, guys. Oh, man. I hope we find a good one for Nan. What's up, Bane? I need to catch some sleep. Oh, good, Grumpy. Go to sleep, brother. Have a good sleep, my bro. Thank you very much for tuning in. Remember, if you are watching, it's silly o'clock in the morning. I want you to go to sleep. Yo, George, thank you very much for the rose too. Just traveling and working. Yo, that's pretty cool, bro, that you got yourself set up for that as well. Cheers, brother J Car. Thank you, guys. Oh, man. It will never, you know, thank you will never be enough in my eyes. Especially in this time too, while I'm doing it for my nan. Okay, don't tell me what to do. Okay, maybe I'm a little tired. Of course you are. You've been playing June at silly o'clock. Yo, thank you P-Bug as well. Fano, thank you very much for the level 8 hype train. What's your favorite piece you've made? Is there a link? It's in my Instagram, my bro. I can't get it because I'm on all my stuff that I use for streaming, like my laptop and my phone. So I'm currently live on TikTok as well on my phone. Apologies, my bro. Apologies. Next week, Brox will paint his fingernails. Brother, I do that every day with my kids. I'm a girl dad. Of course it's gonna happen. Yo, SJ Wadey. Morning, my brother. How are you? Thank you very much, Bisinu, for the manawa. And Mr. Shah for the rose. Where you from, brother? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. I live in Rotorua. The most geothermally active place in the country. It pretty much smells like rotten eggs when you get here, bro, but after a while when you're sniffing it, it turns into air.
Lil Crow 91 sheared Dex 1000.
Kilro, thank you very much for the roses, and brother Lil Crow on Twitch as well with the 1,000 biddies. Are we on the front page again? Shouldn't be. Well, how many viewers do we have on Twitch? Normally you can tell you on the front page when you have an abnormal amount of viewers. I don't pull like thousands or, you know, hundreds of viewers anymore. So if it's, I'd say if it's above like maybe 150, then maybe. Wait, 300? Maybe I am on the front page. Because we do not pull 300 anymore, I'll tell you that much. The only thing we'd be pulling sometimes is my back. And that's not even lying. I'd be pulling my back 300 times. Nah, that's actually bad if you did that much, eh? Yeah, I think we're on the front page on Twitch. God damn. I didn't apply for it or anything. Wonder why. Yo, Blocker, thank you for the 5 bomb, my bro. You jamming out Skyrim? Yeah, it was raining before, so it added to the Skyrim music. Unfortunately, nature's not on our side anymore. Thank you very much for putting me on the Twitch front page. I don't know what I did to deserve it. I know I didn't apply for it either. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Remember, as we are streaming, chat, don't forget, if you're on Kick, YouTube, or TikTok, you can always ask questions about what I do here. It is totally fine. There's no such thing as a silly question too. Thank you very much for the hype train, guys. Yeah, I don't know how we got on the front page, eh? Thank you, TJ and Butter Lover, for the gifties as well. How many times have you actually sharpened your tools? Like once every few months, depends on the timber that I'm carving. Like if it's a soft timber, then there's no need to touch it up just yet. I normally just wait for a bit. Oh, sorry, chat. Oh my gosh, I was holding that one in. Just checking over all our little sections that we've done before we move on. So this is the one thing about taratara ako is you have to really make sure, you know, all your walls and all your corners are clean. Or I do anyway. If I didn't get them clean, it'd drive me nuts. Man, that's looks really weird on the thumbnail. You thought it was a penis, you degenerate. I haven't tried Siege or like Rainbow. I'm gonna lurk and play some Siege. All good, brother. Do your thing. Thought it was a penis, you degenerate. He's laughing, chat. We got him. We got him, chat. Alright, V chisel time. When I remember where I put it. I'm always taking long to find one chisel, bro. Oh, hell no. Where is it? Okay, found it. Found it. New Twitch policy, handsome fellows on the front page. I have no idea. I didn't even know how I got on the front page because normally you get a notification to apply for it. But hey, we will be grateful for the opportunity and we will deliver. Right? We will continue to carve. While we do this designing process. S'mores, we are carving a hook, my bro. How you been though, Wadey, over on Kick? Hey, much love Spagooty on YouTube. Love watching this amazing craftsman. Thank you, brother Tyler. Looks nice. Hey, appreciate you guys. Yeah, so what we're doing is the design is taratara ako. As I mentioned earlier, you'll see this design quite a lot along the east coast. So a lot of the tribes along the east coast like using this design as well. And it's part of their tribal styles too. And at the same time, I won't lie, it's one of my favorite designs as well. I don't have blood ties to the east coast, but genuinely it's one of my favorite designs still. However, my wife is from the east coast. She's from a small place called Te Kaha. Thank you, Christian. I always said to myself I was gonna, you know, if I was gonna marry a Maori girl, it would be a girl from the East Coast. Not even lying, chat. My man was locked in. Cause she's a East Coast brown, I'm Maori girl. From Lati Hauti, baby. Yes, she was. If it wasn't a girl from the East Coast, it would have been a girl from the islands. Those were my, those were my requirements. Are you married? Yeah, I've been married to my wife for 1 year so far. I just don't wear my wedding ring when I'm carving. Hey, sup, Toko? How are you, brother? I see you in the TikTok chat. What's up, Crumpled Biscuit? I'm doing good, my brother. How you been? How you been? Do you sell your carvings? Nazia, I do have one. I do have one carving for sale. If you wanna see it, just spam ones in the chat, and I'll get it for you. I know some people would have seen it already, but doesn't hurt to show people again. I'll look up very shortly. Okay, oh damn, we have got a lot of ones. Okay, we're going to showcase the whiku once again, chat. I know there's a few that have seen it already, but to those that haven't, I will show you regardless. Sup, Charlene? Apa? Kia ora. Okay, here we go. Let me go get it for you guys, eh? So this is it here. To those that haven't seen it, I know there are some that have, okay? This is the whiku here. This is the only one that I have for sale. Like that here. So the design is called Hai Pakati. So the high-highs are the lines, the pakati are the notches in the middle. There you can see. So, since he's all, need to get a bit of angle. So, since you've all seen this whiku before, where can you commonly find this particular piece or particular carving? Majority of the time you can find, the face itself or the carving itself on the apex of our meeting houses. So in our culture we have these things called wharenui, or fully carved meeting houses, that are named after our ancestors. And at the apex it'll be either a carved face, this one here, or other variations, a carved figure, or sometimes both. So this kind of serves as the face of our ancestor, because at the very top you have his face, and they have maihi on the side, which are barge boards that are like the arms of the meeting house. So that's where you can commonly find, like, how do I say, a mask, or the whiku, pretty much. Thank you very much, Monkey D Kiko, for the Optimus Prime, brother. I've been watching you for 4 years and hear Skyrim music on your channel. I'm about to tear up. Hey, you like Skyrim, my bro? Did you kill Parthenex? If you did anyone kill Parthenex on Skyrim? If you did, our friendship ends here today. No. So yeah, this is the only one I have. This one here. This is made out of tōtara. It is not a shield, it is not a flute, it's just a full-on mask. So yeah, nothing on the back there. So the way you spell it, whiku, is W-H-E-K-U. That one here. So with the abalone in the eyes too, or the power inlay, whatever you want to use. Those are like the eyes from the seashell itself. So on the inside of the abalone seashell is where you see all the colours. I think I have one. Alright. Example man today. Damn, this is the only one I got. So you see this shell here? This is an abalone seashell. And on the inside are the colours that you see. I haven't cleaned this one out, so you can kind of see there all the colours within it. So that's all we use for our eyes. So it's not a stone, it's a shell. Yeah, once again, abalone, but we call it paua. P-A-U-A is how you spell it. I do have a smaller carving. I lie, I actually have 2 carvings that I could probably sell. I just saw it now. I just saw it now, chat. This is my advertisement for it. Do you have a significant other that you would like to give a carving in your life? Do you have that special someone in your life that you have not bought a gift for ever? Ladies and gentlemen, if you are a fan of wood carving, or particularly Maori wood carving, look no further. So this one here, I just seen it in the fridge, in the shed. So this one here. So when did I carve this? I can't even remember. So what I wanted this to represent was 2 of my ancestors, Hinepu Kohurangi and Te Maunga, as you can see. Yeah, I wanted this to represent Hinepu Kohurangi and Te Maunga. So they are 2 of my ancestors from a small town called Ruatahuna. Hinepu Kohurangi, she is the goddess of the mists. Te Maunga was an Owahi Tūroa, or a shooting star. And one night, Hinepu Kohurangi, she would lay in the valley of Onini, where she would look up at the night sky. You know how the mist, flows with the contours of the land. Ooh, big word, eh? And one night she looked up in the night sky and saw, this Owahi Tūroa flying across and wondering, what is that? As it got closer, she noticed there was someone with beautiful long red hair, and that was Te Maunga. So to translate, Te Maunga means the mountain in my language, but we'll get to how that happened. So every night she would watch him fly across the sky, and she started to become infatuated by his beauty. And one night she sang out to him, was not successful. Every night she would sing and sing in the hopes of getting his attention, until one night she sang her loudest, and he looked down and he saw her within this valley. So he flew down and met with her, and ko wai koe, my name is Hinepu Kohurangi, I'm ko te maunga hau. So introductions were made, and they laid together within this small area called Onini. And out of that came their son, Pōtiki Tike Tike, who was a demigod, and who was actually the creator of half of my tribe. Before the Great Migration was here, there were people here, and the tribe that came from that union was Ngā Pōtiki. Now within here, within the centre here, this rape rape design here, that's the sun. We have Te Maunga, and we have Hine Pukohurangi. So I wanted to represent their love story in this. Give you a little closer look. So there. And then eventually, you know, my ancestors made the great migration over. And people that were here connected with the people that had navigated here. And then, you know, the various bloodlines came from their union. And yeah, that's them here. That's what I wanted to capture in this. And we did. So the spiral in the middle represents the sun. So with Rapi Rapi, you have two rows, you know, they come together and they form into one. And that's kind of the idea I had with the centerpiece. Eh? Those two unions coming together to, you know, obviously make their sun. Yeah. So yeah, this is made out of tōtara as well. This piece here. Yeah, I forgot I did this. I just seen it and oh, that's right. I forgot all about that, but yeah, hope you enjoyed that little segment there. How much you let it go for? How much would I let that go for? I don't know. 500 IRL money and probably Azulian tiger and well. No, I'm joking about the tiger. Yeah, I wouldn't sell that for that much. Almost done with exams. Nice crumble biscuit. Good to know, my bro. Thank you, Casey. Thank you, brother. Yeah, sorry to TikTok. Someone just wanted to see the wheku and I thought I'd, you know, showcase a little bit more. Can we talk off stream? Hey, all good, brother. You can catch me at OnlyFangs. No. I said OnlyFangs, by the way. Yeah, we can talk after stream, brother. All good. Some of you probably thought, ew, he's got an OnlyFans. Alright. So we'll just get all our cuts in first and then we'll go over it again. Got excited for a second? Of course you did. Show them toes. Why? They germinate in toe jam lace socks sometimes. Y'all are crazy. That's to your whānau, speak soon. Cheer, brother Gilbert. Cheer, my brother. Great work. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah. You're crazy. I'll be wearing shoes and boots all day, and you want to see that? God damn. I feel sorry for your goddamn nostrils there, boy. On OnlyFans, sure. Sure you were. Well. King Tiger. How you doing today there, sir? It is nice to meet you again there, boy. And I must say, Dutch always has a plan. And it's just re-uploads of stream. I would not bamboozle people like that. That is crazy. YouTube channels already do that. Alright. So we may have to change up the angle again of how the piece is sitting in the vice. But for now, I'll try and cut as much as I can from this angle so we don't have to change the shit. Thank you very much, Hazarak, for the rose. I am so mighty fine and some mighty fine voice acting. Someone should see. Oh, bro. Oh. Here's my subpar Arthur Morgan. Arthur Morgan. But yeah, voice acting is probably my other dream job, brother. But I'd like to do a character for fun. Yeah, I'd love to do voice acting because it's fun. That's why I enjoy GTA roleplay. The RP we did with OnlyFans as well. That was fun. We have a little bit of a voice acting thing going on every weekend. So one of the boys actually works with Poe. And there's about 700 monsters that need to be voiced. If I can get one of them, I'll be happy. What are you working on today, Brad G? We are working on a heimato today, my bro, or a fish hook. Thank you very much, Hasim, for the paper crane. Kia ora, my bro. Good morning from Cape Town, South Africa. Good morning there, sir. How are you doing today? I hope that the sun is shining and the antelope are jumping. I was gonna say springbok. What servers do you play? No Pixel. I've been on No Pixel for like a couple years. Jumped over to Prodigy with all the bros though. I jam on No Pixel from time to time. Commission piece. Yeah, so this is a Twitch chat redeem. So if you redeem 1,000,000 channel points in my channel, you get yourself a free carving pretty much. That includes postage as well. I pay for that too. Pay for all that as well. Where are we? I did FDG but not serious, man, just 2 weeks. It got a little too toxic for me. What's FDG? Is that a server? Might get into Red Dead RP is good if you like slow burn. So I did Red Dead a roleplay as well. My character's name was Tommy Tim Tam. And I was a sheriff. Because all my mates were on the server as well, my cousin. But they were all crims, and I went, you know what? I'm going to go the opposite and become a sheriff. And man, I fucked them over so bad. It was good. I remember on my first day of being a sheriff, I was only a recruit. The bank was getting robbed. And I was the only one there, so I went, fuck it, I know how to roleplay, I'll do it. And yeah, I ended up going in. And yeah, did the whole bank job myself as a recruit sheriff. And I had to obviously, I ended up having to let them go to save the hostages. But I didn't realize when I was doing it, because there was a guy there who played a it was like a smaller than usual character, little bandito looking guy, but it was a server owner. And there was someone that was doing rat shit too, like he was saying, get me up, and then he just re-logged and logged back in. But the server owner helped me. So that was pretty cool. And then, yeah, eventually, yeah, got the hostages out. got told there's something going on at the bank, ran back in the bank, and hello, the server owner set me up, and I got a dynamite strapped to my character's chest. And then what else did we do? There was a big, so me and 3 others went on this big server arc. It was the conspiracy about beans, canned beans. Bro, it took the server over by storm, bro. Hey, what up, Ollie? Hey, much love the QIF. Is that it? Love the chill streams, bro. Keep it up. Appreciate you, my bro. Thank you very much for the aroha over on TikTok as well. We talking about being, yeah. So when I was on the roleplay server for Red Dead, there was a big conspiracy about canned beans. But that was one of the coolest arcs I ever went on as a sheriff, man. Shout out to Diablo RP. Hey, Tetsu. What's up, mates? Morgs. I am based in Aotearoa, New Zealand, in a place called Rotorua. I've got a cop character in Prodigy. I haven't made him join the cops yet, because I don't like making a cop character and going straight to the MRPD and saying, I want to work for you. I try and, just role play around it and see where it takes my character first. My cop character's name is Bojack L. Johnson. When did you play GTRP last? Live? A while ago, yeah. Is it? Hello, sir. My name is Bojack L. Johnson. That's how I always say his name. Emphasis on the Johnson part, just for, comedic purposes. But his dream is to be a ranger, but he thinks being a park ranger means, thinking animals, deal bad stuff out to other animals. He thinks animals are criminals. When did it? Yeah. Not live. No, I haven't played GTRP live in a while. How much would something like this be? How much would I sell this for? I think the nice streak will probably take over as well. Probably like, just because I want to be nice, 850 USD. The niceness in me gets in the way sometimes, Jet, but it's just the way I was built, man. It's the way I was raised. Not built. Fucking sound like Optimus Prime ass. You weren't born. You were built. And now your builders want you back. Now your creators want you back. I'm still looking to buy a piece. All good, my bro. I still gotta send you their Ponamu too. Whee! Is that a penguin face? Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. Thank you very much, good sir. Did you voice call? Shut up, Ollie. You know damn well. Thinking 1,000 USD? Oh, I could, but it's that nice streak taking over again. If you were Donald Trump, oh fuck, 2 mil, my bro. No hesitation, brother. Ask your dad for a loan. 2 mil, my bro. Ask dad for a loan. Leave Kuro alone, he's old now. Hey bro, vibes from Wellington Town. What's the type of native wood, bro? This is Totara, my bro. All the way in Wellies, eh? You planning on getting a Switch too? I want to, but I'll probably trade in my Switch and all the games. But I'm waiting for Donkey Kong. You're not on Twitch anymore? I'm currently on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube as well. Thank you, DDRR. Yeah, I'm not in a hurry to get it, eh? I don't. If I was to get a Switch, I'll tell you what, I'll get bored of Mario Kart straight away. You want to know why I get bored of Mario Kart straight away? Because there's no Now, if there's a genius out there that can put Skyline sound effects on those carts, then maybe I'll consider getting Mario Kart. But for now, I'm not interested. Are you still playing well? Yes, I am playing a mage for the first time in prep for Mists of Pandaria. Kia ora, Evelyn. You like JDM? Yeah, I've been playing, I've only been getting into cars for the last 2 years. Because I got invited to the LZ World Tour as well, that was pretty buzzy. My bro used to drift for Hoonigan. He's the one, so my boy, Hossie Lala. He's the one that, got me into cars. Been playing a little bit of what's that? Car X Drift and JDM. What server do you play on? I'm on an OCE server, but I'm trying to look for the what would be the ideal NA server, you know? Because I mainly play Horde, eh? But, you know, I'm open to playing Alliance if I have friends to play with. Because I want to get into Arena. Yeah, I made me a mage. I know Undead Mage was the bee's knees back in the day, but I didn't like Undead, so I made a troll. A troll, and I called him Lovemore. Where can I chat with you about carving off stream? Probably Discord, my bro. I watch these to fall asleep. W man, you gotta get good sleeping, man. If your friends play Alliance, you need new friends. Hey, my friend Jellybeans plays, and he's a BlizzCon pro. See, he plays Alliance too. Great mages, especially with, yeah, what's it called? Wuju Shuffle, eh? I know, like, Orcs are good as well, because of the stun resistance. And, yeah, Undeads can remove, like, fear and all of that, but yeah. I was trying to name my mage Gandalf, but it was taken. Oops, I'm on the front page. I wasn't trying to name my mage Gandalf. Got yous. Not at all. Thank you very much, Vinny, for the rose. Kia ora, Vinny. Okay, I might have to turn it around now. I can already see the finished piece in my mind. Level. You undervalue? Yeah, I know, my bro. It's one of my flaws, brother. I tend to be too nice. Alright. So yeah, we're just trying to get everything cut out. We're still gotta clean it all too. Okay. Because this is not clean to me. Could have named him Dobby. Ah. The fact that they got rid of him in the movie. L director. That was the most trauma-filled death in the whole series. Poor Dobby. I remember, yesterday, chat, my wife, she bought me some socks. I went, Master has presented Dobby with clothes. Dobby is free. And I turned the game off and she went, fuck off. I was like, aww. She goes, oh, you're an idiot. I said, I'm your idiot forever. You can't get rid of me now. I'm your husband. Love this. Hey, appreciate you, brother. Pablo, thank you very much for the rose, my bro. Right, let's switch up the music now. Play some Hearthstone music, some more safe options. I just can't even see what I'm doing, TikTok. No one told you. Can you give us the Lilo and Stitch? Bro, I was not in Lilo and Stitch. How tall are you? Whatever 181 is, I think. 182. I think that's what I remember seeing. Thank you very much, Pablo and Humble Knight. And also Mark. Yeah, I was at the GP a while ago and I was bored, so I was touching the height measurement thing. I think I'd done it right. How are we doing, TikTok? Are you all good today? So I don't know how to do Maori name for the tool. I just call it a mallet, brother. All good. How is your name after you message? Huh? Are you talking to someone else in the chat? Okay. Ever since I started seeing Brom again yesterday, chat, I think I want to indulge in League one game at a time, I think. One game a day to avoid infection by the salt. What's your iwi? Tūhoi and te aroa. What's your favorite thing that you've ever made? There's one piece that is that is very special to me. I can't show you it because it's in another town. But if we're talking about, you know, a carving that I've done on my own, was this thing called a kumete I did as a student. It's in one of my latest posts on Instagram if you want to check it out. What are you carving today? We are designing this fish hook that we've been molding, my bro. Just a whole lot of design prep, my bro. That's what we're up to at the moment. Just trying to get that all done. So we can progress. Love your streams. Helps me chill out after a busy day. Oh, cheer, brother Brad. Over on YouTube, my brother. Alright, one moment, chat. Just do this. There we go. Straighten up these lines. Whew. Where are we? How do you use Discord? Just download it and don't even know how to message. Oh, you gotta make a profile. Maybe email might be better. Just email boxcarver@gmail.com. Sorry, brother. Didn't think about that. If you don't have a Discord account, just email my business email. I normally handle all the carving inquiries and my manager does all the other stuff. What is the time for you? It is currently 20 minutes past 10. Once again, Fano, I just want to say thank you very much for helping us hit sub goal on Twitch today. Absolutely crazy, bro. Do you make taiaha? I have made taiaha before, done one on stream. It's been a while though, since I've done one. But yeah, I think I want to make mine this year. Definitely want to make mine this year. I don't know how been over like that all day. Oh, bro, bugger that. I bet Atlas has probably the most cooked back in the whole of existence, eh? I swear, bro might sneeze and then he'll click his back and probably, you know, crap himself. That's how bad it would be. Strudels, what's up, brother? Over on YouTube? So you gotta be careful as a 30-year-old, my bro. You might sneeze, crack your back, and like, goddamn. I remember one time I was sitting on the couch thinking about, you know, my back, my flip disc, and hello, it happened. It's like, what sorcery is this? Hey, what's up, Spirit Music? Hello, hello, hello.
Brox Kia Brox Aura Brox Kia Brox Aura Brox Crundy Brox Crundy Brox Crundy. How you doing, my bro?
Cheer, brother Kudo. Thank you for the 41 months. I swear you subbed the other day. Cheer, my brother. Hope you're doing good, my bro. First of all, myself, I am doing well. I've been up since 4:30 this morning. Got a lot done, and I feel good. And I've been training, bro, and oh man, I feel great. I've been training. Thank you, Rio, over on TikTok. Been training, my bro. My body feels good. In a good state right now, brother. So, and I've been smashing out the streams. Been doing multi-streaming, so we're streaming on more than one platform today. Sorry, Twitch front page. I still don't understand how I'm on Twitch front page, eh? I didn't apply for it. Maybe they gave it to the wrong person. I might have to ask them. I might actually have to ask them, eh? Cheer, brother Dills. How you, my bro? Alright, turn him around. Bruv slept wrong last week and pinched a nerve. Haven't been in my right hand till like 30 plus. Wait, actual? Bro, you gotta sleep on the ground, bro. You see, when I pinch my back or anything, bro, time to sleep on the ground. That is so beautiful. Hey, appreciate you. Wood carving's not too bad either. No. JK. Yeah, I know it looks a bit dirty right now, chat, but trust me, it'll come together. Send you an email. All good, brother. Thank you. I'll look at it after stream, but maybe at the end of the day. Thank you very much, brother Max, over on TikTok. It was cool. Some people have come through over on the other channel as well. W's. Growing our community. Alright. What are you doing? Hey, what's up, Fanta? We are carving a heimato, my bro. So a bit of a fish hook for someone from the Twitch chat. They redeemed 1,000,000 channel points on the channel, brother. And with their redeem, you get yourself a free carving. So I had a kōrero with him, had a talk to see what he would like, and he asked for a heimato, which is a fish hook. And that it includes postage too, so I pay for that as well. Gotta pay for that too, my bro. I need another chisel. I'm hoping the weather holds out this weekend so I can go and do some recording for another YouTube video. I want to do one for Men's Mental Health Month too. I really want to get one, do one for Men's Mental Health Month as well. Okay, clean up these walls. Yeah, it's just a lot of little things that we have to do with this design chat. And then we'll be pretty good. Oh, Chewie's got floods over there, bro. Bro, that's pretty handy. Nah, there's been like no flooding here. This music fits so well. Yeah, I just wanted to play some Hearthstone music. Just because we're streaming on, YouTube as well, and they're pretty strict with their use of music, and I know the safest option is game music. So we shall indulge in some game music. What's up, Sinatra? And is it Tatanes? Did I say that right? Correct me if I do say your name wrong. What do you do with the wood shavings? We bury them, brother. So there's some practices in Whakairo that I still do. Because with Whakairo in general, even though this isn't, anyone in particular we're carving, or a sacred piece, or I'm not doing an ancestor, for example. There was an instance where back in the day, some people used the wood shavings for that specific reason. And with Whakairo, it is based around, death, eh? We carve a lot of those that have passed on. And there was an instance where a couple individuals took some of those wood shavings from a carving that was being done, used it to cook the food, ate the meal, and let's just say they never woke up again after that. So in a sense, with this art form, being surrounded by that kind of vibe, it ultimately cost them. So even though this is no one in particular, this is more of a decorative commission, I still like to bury the wood chips anyway. So I'll take them to where I'm from and just go bury them out there. Just to be safe, really. Because I don't want to, just in case someone goes, oh, let's use these in next minute. Looks crazy good. Hey, appreciate you. You watching any anime? Not really, just reading, my bro. Like, I do watch One Piece, but only for the good parts, just because I've been reading it instead. Much more exciting. Much more exciting with what's going on. Actually, fucking stupid OP powers for Emu, though. Holy. But I'm sticking to my theory about Blackbeard, bro. I don't think he gives two shits about the One Piece. He cares about the throne, I reckon. I reckon that's what he's gunning for. I'm gonna sit on that hill, chat. Learning about cultures and things of nature. Yo, don't spoil it, brother. They don't read. Oh, that's not my problem. I just gotta turn it down. Have you? No, I have not watched that Predator movie yet. Not yet, brother. It looks good though. From what I've seen on TikTok anyway, just like people uploading it to TikTok. Are you going to sell this? No, we're sending it to the person that redeemed the channel points for it. So much aroha nui going into this piece. You're a good man. Cheer, brother. Lightfoot. Thank you, brother. Everyone on YouTube as well. Smash this out a little bit, chat. Go. We're just trying to find some purple lotus. Show me with fire, you got totems. Whew. And this is just prepping the design, guys. Joe Ninja, how are you, my bro? Whew. Kia ora from Wellies. Hey, what's up, Biscuit? I'm good, just chipping away at this essay. Yeah, but I see you, my bro. I bet you are. Haven't seen you in a while. What's up, QQ? How do you get one of these? Well, commission me to do one, brother. At the moment, I am not taking on commissions, though. It's gonna... You have to wait till they open back up, my bro. Seems like a bit of a hit amongst everyone. One mil points, depending on subs, could equal around 3,125 hours. That's over 100 days. Just according to Google, obviously would be less subs would get dedication. I think tier 3s get more channel points. Gotta go physio. All good, Redbeard. Do you think, my brother? Greetings from Berlin. Kia ora, my bro. How is it? How are you in Berlin, my bro? Yeah, tier 3s and tier 2s, I believe, get more. Because that's what Sturdy Butter and Box Boy was a tier 3. And then once he got his carving, he changed back. I think that was his strat as well, but Sturdy Butt has been the longest tier 3 sub here. I think he's aiming for another carving maybe. I would not be surprised. Still channeling points. What are you making? We are designing a heimato, my bro, or a fish hook. That's what we're up to right now, my brother. Whew. Thank you very much, James, for the rose. Hold on, chat. It's not hitting for me. Fuck.
Smelly or stained retainer, polydent retainer and mouth.
Retainer. What? Alright. He was just getting a bit too much, eh? Keeps me saying, hey, sure, brother, damn, the only thing I need to learn is how to retain some. Sure, my bro. Oh, shit. Going against the grain. Man, it's hard to do angles, good angles for you guys to see. I'm not gonna lie. It is very hard. Hello there, Van Cole on YouTube. Kia ora, brother. Look at Puna yeah, brother. I'm planning on doing that. So for the future of the stream, for those that don't know, something I am planning to do once we me and my wife, have a house of our own, I am gonna look into getting some stone carving facilities as well for the stream. So moving into another art form within my culture, because it'll be pretty fun, I ain't gonna lie. That would be something that I'm keen to dive into, on top of what we already do already. Yeah, I've got plans for the future of the stream once we have our own shared chat. I've got plans. Yo, frustrated pigeon. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime over on Twitch, my bro. What do you make these sculptures for? This is a commission going to one of the viewers on Twitch. They redeemed 1 million channel points, my bro, and thus getting them a free Maori wood carving. That includes packaging as well, postage. So that is what we are up to, my bro. Carving this chat redeem carving for a viewer. For their time and dedication, for watching the stream. That's a bloody long time to accumulate those kind of points. And doing them something within the realm of Maori wood carving, pretty much. Sorry if I go in a bit of a trance as well, chat. I just get hyper focused sometimes. I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting sometimes. Come back to earth. Little things, chat, little things will forgive you if you blast some bangers. It's a bit hard, especially with streaming on YouTube as well. Don't want to get flagged. Hence the reason why I'm playing a lot more gaming music. Just because it's safer. From the Doomka. Do not want to get bitten in the ass by the Doomka. How you feel about Jay losing? Pretty dumb, I'm not gonna lie, but I guess there's reasonings to it. I don't know why. I genuinely enjoyed him as the champion. Even though a lot of people, you know, got pissy about him being the champion all the time. But I think in the long run, they're leading up. I reckon Seth is going to cash in at WrestleMania. Oh no, not WrestleMania. What's the next big one coming up? Yeah, I reckon he's going to cash in soon. Started covering a few years ago. It's been a good time. I can't wait to start getting better tools. Nice, my brother. Brother Owen. Thank you very much for the roses, my bro. And John Bravo. Thank you very much, brother John Bravo. Yeah, I think things I want to see right now is want to carry on watching Jacob. Keep watching Jacob do his thing. He's my favorite in the roster. I want to see Penta get some opportunity, eh? Because at the moment, bro, they are just running him into the ground, bro, in my opinion. I feel like he's getting the Solo Sakura singles run treatment when he started doing singles run. Thank you very much, Carlo Dizon. Did I say that right? Yes, bro, getting the bloody Solo treatment. Even Jeff Cobb, he ain't even done anything. I reckon the Bloodline gimmick has to like leave. And who's that diva that returned? Oh, they're getting a lot of the old heads back, eh? Yeah, I'm hoping gonna try and lurk now before I go to sleep, but know me, I'll keep chatting. Nah, you're good, brother. Yeah, I'm hoping that Penta gets a better opportunity, eh? Straight up. Solo from the viral video. Sabudo. How are you? go. Boom. Far out. Some yucky green in here. Yeah, what's up, Nakura? Cheer, my bro. And fading. I'm so hungry, but I'm driving home and don't want to stop. Hey, just make sure you get home safely, eh? That's the main thing. Get home safely, not swiftly. And stop typing while you're driving. If you're gonna message on the stream, message when you get home. Not while you're driving, please. Yo, Team Loz, thank you very much for this one. Kia ora. Found you on Insta. Happy you're on Twitch. Great vibes. Hey, what's up, brother? Welcome all the way over from Instagram, my bro. Yeah, this is from The Witcher. This is indeed from The Witcher there, sir. Go. Yeah, a lot of little things with this design, chat. That's pretty much what takes up most of the time. Nymphet, hello. What's up, pies, for you over on TikTok? How are you, brother? YouTube and Kick, how are you guys doing as well? Hope you're all good. The bots on Kick have stopped botting, saying come to this Discord server. How about new? Kia ora, bro, this looks epic. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, we're yeah, slow and steady pretty much, my bro. Slow and steady is winning the race, especially when it comes to this design. There's a lot of little things to look over all the time, making sure they're all even as well. So those are kind of the things I have to be mindful of as we progress through with this. I can hear arguing on the wind. If I hear it anywhere closer, I may indulge and go and have a look. Actually, I should check if my wife's all good. Hold up. Alright, chat, wee little lunch break. Wee little lunch break and we'll carry on. Yo, thank you very much. Pa Tomato, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Chat, is it being that guy? If we bump up the sub goal again? Never mind. Wait, what happened? What happened? Sorry, I just wanted to eat something. My stomach was starting to feel like it was eating itself. What are we making? Just a fish hook here, I'll show you. So we're currently designing said fish hook right here. So we're still cleaning and still prepping the design. This is not what's going to be set in stone just yet. So that's all we're up to, okay? Also, I went to go and say hello to the baby because she was awake. She has learned how to suck her thumb. That's not good. Hey, what's up, GB4V over on YouTube, all the way from Iceland? That's one place I'd love to visit as well. Okay. Hello from Malaysia. Hello, brother. How are you doing? Is that a rice cake? Yeah, it was the closest thing I could see, so I grabbed it. What do you call their beard? Oh, I cut my beard off before my daughter was born, so she wouldn't have a face full of beard when she was born. Being mindful, eh? Being very demure about it. That's what people say, eh? Very mindful, very demure. Is that what they say? Yo, Twitch chat, should I bump the sub go up? I'm planning on canning, so my nanathon will end. I think I'm gonna end it on, I think the sub deal thing that's going on right now. Okay. One moment. Yeah, I'm gonna finish it soon. Let the groove light up your fuse, it's alright. I won't go too far, because I'll be that guy. Nan's headstone. There we go. I hope we can find a good one for my nene. Straight up. I want to get one that looks like a book. Just to acknowledge her many years of teaching. So for 53 years of my grandmother's life, she dedicated it to teaching. Alma Regan Bjorns sent treasure box with 50 coins. Wait, those 50 coins I can use to gift to other live creators, on TikTok? Can I? Can I do that? Hello, Brox, all the way from Indonesia. What's up, Donnie? I'm pretty sure I can do that, right? Gift them to other people. I still don't know what to do with diamonds, eh? Anyone here can collect coins? Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been looking at my notifications tab on TikTok, and it says I got all these diamonds. I didn't even know where they are. Like, where do you see those? Let's click the chest. Oh yeah, I see the chest in the corner. Oh yeah. Teaching is such a... Yeah, bro. She taught many generations of people back in my hometown. She even taught my teachers at the time. By a trick sculpture. A trick sculpture? Or a T-Rex. Oh, bro. With what I do, I normally just stick to the cultural side of wood carving for me, eh? I don't do those kind of carvings. Fuck, that'll be hard. Yeah, we've got to straighten up a few of these. But this is only like the starting of the design. Once we've straightened everything up, cleaned everything within all the corners, the next thing that we have to do is like adding the notches onto this whole thing and digging all the notches out. That's the next thing we got to do. So a couple processes do this design, although simple, looks better when it looks clean. Thank you, brother Wadey. Thank you very much to Alma for the rose. Kia ora, my bro. What happened to our music? Oh, our sounds are flat. Hang on, let me take this inside. Rice cracker. Hey, brother Lucas on YouTube. Kia ora, my bro. So one guy, well, life's been pretty busy, my bro. For the last month and a bit, just been focusing on mine and my wife's daughter. She's about a month old now. About a month old, and it's been good. It's been really good, my bro. Are you making any projects right now? Yeah. We're doing this. We've been prepping the design for this. So this is a heimato, or a fish hook. So you can see we're, yeah. Just getting the design ready. And then we go to from there. Once again, Twitch, TikTok and Kick is all we're up to. So I just really need to eat something. When I start to feel hungry, my legs start shaking. Alma, thank you very much for the live star, brother. Ooh, that's close. Oh, someone got pulled over. What's up, bro? How are you? I'm doing good, my bro. Wow, this is mean. Oh no. There was an ambulance. There's like a big retirement home, like maybe 5 blocks down. Oh, I hope it's not going there. I'm wondering. One moment. Claim your free. Oh yeah, there's free coins in the top corner up here. Apparently you get like 50. I don't know what they're for, but if I get some, I'm probably gonna give them to other live creators. One other live creator I think you guys should go and check out is Shock Jr., one of my good bros. He's an artist as well. Very, very talented artist, I must say. That's right. What if I use this piece of wood? That's right, we tried to close this the long way and it was too handy. Just trying to close the vice. Gosh, this silly vice. There we go. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Here we go. We got no music unfortunately, chat, so we're just gonna roll with the birds and the, you know, the vehicles out in the distance. while we smash this out, okay? So this is gonna be the sounds of the stream today. Normally when I'm carving offline, chat, I don't get to talk to anyone. It's dumb. Got no one to have a yarn with. Hey, who got their coins? I hope he's got you some coins. So those are the things you use to get like roses and stuff, right? Yeah, do any of the TikTok lords know much about like diamonds? What do we do with those? I'm still trying to figure out TikTok live streaming as a whole, pretty much. Thank you for the rose, brother. Thank you, user, as well. Oh, someone revving the Harley or the V-Rod. Sounds like a V-Rod. And this gas economy? Fuck that. Gas today is expensive. That's why you won't catch me driving. Well, not yet anyway. School drop-offs, yes. Nothing else other than that. Bird or bird. Fucking, what's the point of that, eh? Buy more gas? I think it's like $2 something right now for gas. Some ridiculous price anyway. Oh, I can hear a car revving now. Yo! Oh, bro, first time chatters and then you decide to sub. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Yo, thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Hope you're doing well too, my brother.
999 Lilgastancy on cheered Dex 10. Hi, how you doing? And I love your work, it's amazing.
Thank you very much. We are doing good. The work has been on a pretty steady pace so far as well. But genuinely, hope you're all enjoying it today too. Jojo, thank you very much for the rose. And Ollie with the 20 roses too. I almost just said twin. Holy. Thank you very, very much. But all in all, man, yeah, the work has been going good. Like, going at a solid pace.
Keep up the positivity, my friend. Cheers.
Thank you very much, brother. As long as, as long as people enjoy it here, that's the main thing. Like I always say, this is your guys' cheeky corner of the internet where you can relax. Open up as well if you need to talk. There's no harm in doing it here. There's no harm in doing it in general as well. And I'll try and help as much as I can. Aroha nui, much love. Hey, what's up, Cross? Hey, Valoon, what's up, brother? Summer Voltage, thank you very much once again for the 3 months. Kia ora. There we go, so you can kind of see it better. How you been, brother Valoon? What's up, Kruos, and what's up, Gabriel? Gabriel, is that how you say it? Just saying, why? You got that wine, wine, wine. You got that wine. He got it, wine, wine. Jeez, I hope with all these motorbikes raving, it's not what I think it is. Oh no, it's not. It's just people burning around. Yeah, pretty much straight after this chat, back into dad mode. Look after baby. Have cuddles with baby till school pickups. Pick up the kids. Get daughter ready for jiu-jitsu. Do that. Then homework with big girl, big daughter. Smash that out. Man, this generation, bro. It's so I come from, I don't know if anyone else, I come from a generation where like books, school books were a thing, bro, but they're all like iPads now. And I won't lie, I hate it, eh? I feel like it just entices kids more to be on an iPad all the time. And like my daughter, because she sat there in her class and she looked around and goes, Papa, everyone's just like looking down. It's like zombies. Like no one's talking. There's no one laughing. The classroom just feels like zombies. And then seeing it for myself, I was like, fuck, they actually do look like zombies. Like, yeah, school has changed so much, bro. Like I tell my daughter, yeah, do your schoolwork, but try not to be like lost in the iPad like the rest of the kids. Yeah, bro, pen and paper generation for sure. Like pretty much when they start, bro, because they're all given an iPad for school and they do whatever they want with it in their free time. And at the end of the year, obviously they give it back. And I normally tell my daughter, you can use the iPad, but you know, no physical, no digital. So we just make sure they like exercising first before like rotting their brains on that shit. But when I walked into the class to go and pick my daughter up, she said hello, but like all the you know, back in the day, like if someone walked into the class, we would all look up, and bro, that was not the case. Didn't even flinch, bro. They were all just looking down. I was like, fuck, this is fucked. Yeah, all these school learning crap are on those. Because my daughter's a bit of a social butterfly. She just likes talking with everyone in her class. Next generation will be AI. Yes, bro. You don't even need to use their brains. Bro, yes, bro. Like the handwriting. It's shocking, eh? I seen one kid's handwriting, I was like, oh, built like Hunchback of Notre Dame. That writing, when I saw that, I was like, holy cow. And that's the one thing I wanted to make sure with my kids was, you know, they knew how to write properly, write their names properly and all that. Knew how to do maths. Just like the basics really, but jeez. Crazy seeing that, bro. But yeah, so my best man, his wife is my daughter's teacher, but she's been away on maternity leave. She's back in the next term. But yeah, she knows how I feel about all the iPad stuff. So she makes sure my daughter, you know, doesn't melt her brain at lunchtimes and gets outside. Because that was the main thing I said to her before she started school. You go to school to learn, but you also go to school to make friends and play outside and do all types of things, eh? Not one thing. Bunch of kids just let their parents, yeah bro, I could never do that, eh? Like willingly. Like even with my girls, if we're at home and we're doing nothing, I'm like, sure, you just go for a walk. Or go to the park. I just want them, you know, out and about, not sitting at home, looking down at something. Cause yeah, bro, when I saw that in the classroom, I was like, yeah, no, this ain't it. Oh, hello. Are you crying? Are you crying, eh? Hey.
It's not that cold out here.
No, it's quite warm out here. Want me to hold it?
Well, I make me a coffee, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll give you a blanket.
Yeah, all good. Oh, we got raided! Yo, back to Earth Creations. Thank you for the raid on Kick. Yo, are the girls going to do kapaka? That's the non-negotiable as my kids, my bro. They have to do kapaka. That's my non-negotiable to them, bro. Kapaka is the main thing that I always drive them to do. Anything within their culture. Yo, back to, thank you for the huge raid on Kick, bro. Sorry I haven't set up any notifications. I'm still learning how to do that. Chat, let me just move this carving away. We do have a bit of a special guest coming on the stream while her mum makes her coffee. Look at your bald side ear. Yeah. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, chat. This is the other side of me besides the wood carver that you see. You want to say hello? Eh? Nah, you just want boobies. Same. No. Hey, same. Me too. So hi everybody. I'm a couple shades lighter than my dad. He's the coffee and I'm the milk. She's got her mother's skin colour, alright? You're pulling my beard. Ow. Yeah, hi everybody. Oh, you gonna cry? 10 subs will make it better. No. Yeah, hi everybody. Hey. Bleh. Oh. Oh, who's that in the chat? Walking in the rain. W song as well. How are you? You okay? This is why I get tired. And it's all worth it. How heavy were you? 7 pounds, 5 ounces, eh? Born. Oi! Oh, look, you got 10 gifted subs. You can have those. We'll buy you some blankets, eh? It's for Nan, but we'll buy you some blankets since it's for you. Okay? Pai tērā whakaaro ki a koe. You want to go inside? Yeah, you. Oh, beard! Oh, jeez. Hang on, chat. She's beard grabbing. Thank you very much, Viper Wolf, for the 10 bomb, my bro. Yeah. Are you hungry? You know I could smash back a zinger box right now, but I'm trying to watch my weight. Yo, Dark Omen, thanks for the galaxy, my bro. Alright, I think it's time to take you inside. Mum's ready. You say bye? I'll bring her. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, come on. One moment.
Hi. Hey.
Okay, she's gone. So, before we carry on, I want to give you a parental trick. If you're up at night, this is the lullaby I use, okay? Okay, dee-do, dee-do. Okay.
AA's tipped $4.20. This stream is just heartwarming.
Oh, yeah, thank you very much for the 420 lays. Thank you, brother. So yeah, that's mine and my wife's latest addition to our family. She is a month and 4 days old. Yeah, it's definitely a lot different to our other two girls. So I am a girl dad, so yeah, you might see my nails being done. Only of the highest quality. I don't do no nail polish on the skin. That's crap quality, alright? My nails deserve the highest from my kids. I'm just teaching them to try and be careful with the nail polish so they can draw a straight line. Yeah, she's our third baby. Hopefully our last. After 35, I do not want any more kids. I just want to live the rest of my life, you know, nurturing our kids with my wife too. But I've got 2 more years till then, but I'm hoping to use the remainder just to nurture the kids that we have. Thank you very much, Elmar, for the 177 biddies, my bro. Thank you, brother. Put Lays to sleep with the lullaby. Yeah, just go dee-do, 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 the whatever your baby's name is. That lullaby works. Bro, mandatory getting your nails done. Yes, bro. They go, put a dress on, Simi. That's fitting my head. Yeah, I always get my nails done, chat. So if people go, "Ew, you got your nails done?" I'll be like, "Fuck yeah, I got my nails done." Hell yeah, brother. Let's give you a close up here. So yeah, we're still going. We're still designing. All right. She's got a big mouth too, so she cries really loud. Probably gonna be a singer like her dad. Once again, back to Earth Creations. I want to say thank you very much for the huge raid over on Kick as well. Thank you very much, kind sir. I will definitely try and figure out some notifications and a bot for that. I thought I sorted a bot out there, but it's not working. What's up, everybody? And also, Viper Wolf, thank you very much for the 10 bomb once again, my bro. I don't know if that was for the baby. If it is, I will give that to her for, you know, nappies and whatnot. And brother Lays for the 420 as well. Fingernail enamel based armor. Oh, I don't like those, eh? That's those plastic thingies that go on your nails, eh? I don't want my kids to wear those. But yeah, majority of the time, yeah, if you do see me with my nails done, it's probably my daughter's. If it's a shit job, it's probably the middle child. If it's a good job, it's probably me. If it's a shit job again, it's probably the eldest. Yeah, so just a little bit about my life outside of streaming. Pretty much as soon as stream goes off, full-time dad. Full-time dad. If I can, get some editing done in between. I didn't want her to be sad. Okay, I'll be honest. If it's for her, I'll give that to her. I definitely will. Caleb, thank you very much for the rose, my brother. Okay. Yeah, she's the longest baby we've ever had. Our last two daughters have, when they were born, they were built like brick shit houses. So they were built like me. Tall and beefy. But our baby now, she's quite just tall and slender. But she definitely has my nose. All our kids have my nose. And they have the mother's eyes. And the mum's lips. Thank you, brother Ryan. Yeah, that's the one thing about my kids. They've got my flat nose. Like even when the baby scan come up with the face or the nose, and oh yeah, that's your dad's nose. When I saw it, I just laughed because my wife was hoping our kids wouldn't have my nose. My genetics in the nose department are too strong, chat. They are too strong. Alright. Maori. Oh, Bodge. Yeah. Just wanted to say cheer, my bro. He's down south, eh? Yeah, I'll probably just use it for her, my bro. If it's for her, it'll specifically go to her. Okay. I think we'll put this to the side for now. Once again, there's no carving stream tomorrow. It's my baby's IMS tomorrow. And I have a podcast episode to shoot in between, and then after that we have the parent-teacher interviews for our big girl. So it's a full-on parent day for me tomorrow, chat. So I'll most likely be live tomorrow night. I'm not going yet though. Just want to say that. Just giving you a heads up. Yeah. Just thought I'd give you a heads up just in case you wait around, because I don't want you to wait around if I'm not live. Just wanted to say cheer. Oh, cheer, my bro. Have a good day. Bro, he doesn't even know. Doesn't even know what. What did I do? What did I do? Oops. Have I missed a gift again? Favorite waiata Maori? Probably pukaki. Thank you, Max11TP. I don't know. Nah, I like a lot of the Maori. Yeah. There's heaps. What does the bro not know? That's what I'd like to know. What do I not know? What? Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a video on Men's Mental Health Month. Not so much the statistics. I always get tongue twisted with that word. My plan for this video is just to open up, as you all know, I'm well and truly open about the things that have happened within my life. But, you know, for the brothers that don't watch the lives, they're the main reason why I'm going to post about, you know, my sister. I've never posted about her at all. So, I think I want to do that and just talk about, you know, the trauma or, you know, the loss of my sister, you know, how it happened in front of me at a young age. Processing that and, you know, seeing DATH right in front of me, you know, seeing that happen right in front of me. And I guess my hopes for the video is that it encourages all the brothers out there that hold so much of, you know, whether it's, you know, the stress, the depression, all those kind of things, in the hopes that they do speak out about it. Because I do get a lot of messages from a lot of young fellas, older people, wahine as well, ladies, about, you know, finding it hard to open up. And it's hard for me to, you know, reply to every single message, even though I do try. It is hard. So that's my whole intention for this video that I'm going to do, is talk about, you know, what happened. Because where she passed is in this town, and I haven't been back there since that day. I have not been back on that street since that day. And yeah, I'm going to go back there just to show everyone where I was, where it happened in front of me. But yeah, my main intention is to hopefully encourage all the brothers or everyone out there, you know, open up. It is, you know, easier said than done, but once you do it, you'll be good. Yeah. So we'll see how we go. Yeah, I have not been back there since it happened. So I don't know what's going to happen when I record. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but it's all going to be pretty raw. So yeah, that's that one. Yo, Ryan, thank you, brother. What's up, hat emoji? I was going to carry on carving for a little bit. Yeah, we'll do a little bit more, eh? You still play well? I definitely do, bro. Just gonna get ready for Mr. Pandaria. Since that's not too far away as well. So I am definitely keen. Bro, do got now? I haven't watched you since you get followers. Yeah, it's been a while, my bro. TikTok has become my biggest platform. It overtook Twitch about last year, I think. Yeah, it overtook Twitch, and yeah, always grateful, man. That's why, I try and go hard with streaming all the time. Remain consistent for all those that support me. Have to, Do you grind other games? GTA RP is something I enjoy. It's more for the acting side of it all. Probably get back into Tekken once Armor King's out. Once they drop Armor King, then I'll start playing it again. What else have I been jamming? What else have I been jamming? Oblivion still. Like, even though everyone's moved on, I'm still playing it. Love that game, man. Got all of the memories of that game. Do you think as Maori our process of tangi comedy post? Do you think as Maori our process of tangi comforting are opposed today? Yeah. People, people still have their mindset of if you're gonna cry, you're a pussy. Harden up, That old mindset needs to be put on the bin, to be honest. That's an old school thing. There's still people out there that live by that, but what has that done for anyone? I know a lot of my family members that ran by that, that swore by that, are not around today. What the hell? Yo, Ryan, thank you very much for the roller coaster. What does that do? Thank you very much, brother Ryan. Bro, they got some goated notifications, eh? I tell you. Yo, thank you very much for the roller coaster, my bro. Some goated animations, bro. Thank you, brother. I'm a leading. TikTok notifications are funny. I once got a whale. Like a whale? I gotta admit though, they're like pretty clean. Whoever animated them, done a really good job. Like a really good job. Thank you, Navs, for the car pies. Come back on it. Go back this way still. How long would it take you to finish this? Well, on stream it definitely does take a little bit longer. Off stream, I could have finished the molding in a day. Well, not a day, like less than a couple hours. Like maybe 4 hours maybe less. There's some young kids fighting on the road. No good. Hold on, chat. I think we trained back today as well, guys. I'm feeling back today. I need to work on my pull-ups again. I have lost so much strength, bro. What do you think about female carvers? Waikato looked at me funny when I said, "Who's Waikato? The iwi?" In all honesty, you know, I don't mind. So even though, you know, I was taught in NZ Maki, which is a traditional heavy school, you know, in this day and age, it doesn't hurt to have an open mind. I've seen many wahine that, you know, a couple wahine that do Whakairo, and in my eyes, you know, kei te pai ki au, I oku nei whakaaro. There's a lot of people out there that are going to be opposed to it, that are, you know, got that heavy dose of Shrek syndrome, in my opinion. Kei te he, and you know who are the ones that normally do that? The ones that don't carve. But yeah, in my opinion, I don't see any problem with it in this day and age. I guess, you know, when it comes to doing, say we carve two hoi, for example, and my daughters were carvers, that's when I'd say, sorry, you can't do this. Because, you know, even though I was taught in a school that's heavy, you know, heavily in depth within the tradition of Whakairo, there's times where I will tell them no, like that if they were carvers, they don't really care about carving. They know every single design, but yeah. Pretty much, but yeah. If it ever came down to, you know, if we were carving a tipuna rane, then I'd probably say Carl, yeah. My father said he knows you. Oh, does he? Is he from Fiji? Small world, but I'm gonna say a name if it is. Because I know I used to have a koro who's from Fiji. Till my dumb nan split up with him. He was cool too. I still consider him my koro today. Do you have Cash App? No. No, I don't. Isn't that an American thing? Isn't it? Because I always say to me, what's your Cash App? What's your Cash App? To me, I don't have Cash App. Yeah, I thought Cash App was an American thing. Very American, yes. Oh, it is? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, I'm recording an episode tomorrow for the podcast as well. Got another one this weekend. Gotta line up the bro next week too. Fuck, heaps of people are rolling in. Feels good. Feels good, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, what's your PayPal account now? Name? OG Mudbone? No. Do you have your own carving tools? Yes, I do, my brother. Yes, I do. Sorry, bro. I just had to. It was too funny not to, alright? It was too funny not to. So I have a few cold ones with this guy one day. Oh, bro. Just be ready for some conversations, my bro. Just be ready for the conversations when that day happens, guys. It keeps going, going round and round. I guess the nature of love. One moment. What's our time? Hoi! It's lunchtime. My favourite time of the day. Where you get your chisel. So the place I normally no spicy noodles today. Oh, we did it the other day. It's already been done, my bro. Although I tried the pink bulldog noodle ones, bro. Those are good, eh? We did so we did a recipe off TikTok, and I ain't gonna lie, bro. I want to try them again. I want to try them again, brother, bro, because those are good. The pink ones, and then you add the cheese and all that. It's like, oh, these are actually quite good. Yeah, I genuinely enjoyed them. Hey, love you too, brother Hammer. Love you, my bro. Have a good day. So you burn the red noodles in 2 bites. Yeah, I need to upload that video, eh? Should we upload the hot noodle video to all the socials? Yo, Rickle4231, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Was worried you might not make it out of the toilet. I won't be honest. The hotness did not arrive on the exit. So I was relieved and let down at the same time. I won't lie. Yeah. I was quite let down by that, I won't lie. TMI, cuz, hey, it's my stream, I TMI as much as I want, within reason. Okay, Twitch, how we doing? Twitch, YouTube, and Kick, how we doing, whānau? Hope you's all good. What is the time? It is currently 12:04. TikTok, it is their time of the day again. My phone is getting flat too. So, as we always do with the end of our day, we say goodbye to TikTok first. I want to say thank you very much for the aroha today. Have a good one. I will see. Oh, I won't see you tomorrow. Actually, yeah, no TikTok stream tomorrow. I will be away with parental stuff. M's for baby and parent teacher interview tomorrow, along with shooting a podcast episode in between all the chaos. So for now, TikTokies, have a good day. Thank you very much for all the aroha today. Hope you all got your fair share of coins as well. And I will see you all maybe on the weekend. We might do a weekend carving stream, we'll see. But for now, ka kite, chichu. Okay, that's TikTok done. Everybody, how are we doing? Twitch? No, I'm not going yet. Twitch kicking YouTube. What's up, Givnon? How are you, brother? How are you? Yeah, normally I just say goodbye to TikTok first because my battery goes flat. Me old battery. So put that away right there. Yeah, it's normally my battery that gets flat first. But we actually got a bit of traffic on the green one today, which is pretty cool. And bro, we hit sub goal today. Got told to put it up some more, so I only went 1650. Yeah, the nanothon will end when the sub deal ends. I was thinking of ending it around the 15th. But I think I'll end it around the time of that promotion thing ends. I think it's like 2 days away, 3 days away. I believe. Could be wrong. Yeah, it could be wrong. I think. Yeah, 3 days left. Yeah, I'll end the nanothon in 3 days. 3 days time, whānau. But doesn't mean we slow down. We keep carving. We'll get that piece done. Keep trying to do the best I can for you guys. Like provide the best streams I can. Have fun. Get a lot of progress done. Did that rhyme? Holy. Did I just rhyme? Wicked. Let me just go and put these chisels inside, eh? Like any other. Alright. I saw some Doritos on the oven chat and they're looking very, very, very welcoming. Alright, Twitch, that is going to be us for today. Thank you very much for the love, man. I have not seen a sub count like this in maybe a year and a half. And I want to say thank you very much, whānau, especially for what I want to put it towards as well for my grandmother. It is appreciated, like 100%. But yeah, I just want to say it again. Thank you. I actually have never seen numbers like this in the last year and a half. It's crazy, especially because I can't really do subathons because of my busy life as a dad as well, and hardly getting free time. But for now, GG's. Thank you very much. I'm gonna try stream tonight, okay? Hopefully my wife will let me. I really want to stream well. And I'll stream myself playing the mage on WoW, learning how to play mage live in Classic. But yeah, I'll hopefully see you tonight. Tomorrow will be an evening stream as well. I know we try and do carving streams Monday to Friday, but you know me. Commitments for my kids will always come first. So for now, I've got to love and leave yous. Alright. Appreciate yous all. Even everyone on YouTube and Kick as well. I see yous. And thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day. I'm going to raid someone on Kick for the first time too. I know the front page viewers may not go over to the bros stream. They will stay on the front page. So for now, have a good one. Let me just go and do a raid on Kick inside too. One moment. Got a bit of predicament. I don't know how to raid on Kick. Anyway, guys, have a good day. Go show some love to the bro. And yeah, I'll try and figure that out, I'll try and figure it out. Oh, is it hosted? Slash host? It must be slash host. Okay, have a good day, guys. And GG's. Hey, Kick, are you still here? I'm gonna try again. Bye, YouTube. Have a good day.